guys, and welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna, and for today's recipe, we're going to make the easiest fried rice ever. Guys, let's go make some spicy ham and shrimp fried rice. To get started, make sure you have a large wok and add a couple of tablespoons of oil to your large wok and set your fire to high. Because fried rice is so quick and easy to make, you'll want to separate and have all of your ingredients on the side ready to go, because once you get started, you can't stop, basically. And I've gone ahead and I've listed all of the ingredients that I use in making this fried rice. And that's it, guys. We're done. And just like that, dinner is served. I hope that you guys make this recipe. Let me know how it goes. Until next time, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe and come back for more content. Bye, guys.